Hello world! Purpose of this video is to teach you how to multiply a 2-digit number by another 2-digit number. I will go through this step by step. As you can see here, there are 8 steps. Start with an equation. Here we have 24 times 31. Next, we make a blank tic-tac-toe board. Take 24 and write it in expanded form on the top row. Put an X in the top left corner to hold the space. Next, we take the 31 and do the same thing, but this time in the left column going down. We then start to multiply. Where two numbers meet, they are multiplied. We have 4 blank spaces, which will be filled with products. So 20 times 30 equals 600, 4 times 30 equals 120, 20 times 1 is 20, and 4 times 1 is 4. I circle these numbers so I remember to use them in my next step. Finally, we take the numbers that were circled, the products, and add them all up. So there you have it, 24 times 31 equals 744. I hope you found this video useful, and if you found it went a little fast, you can pause at certain steps and make sure that you're doing it correctly.